Hey, this is Ken with Casual Furniture World. Many of you have issues with your remote controls that are working your fireplaces. So today we're going to look at how you can fix that issue and things to look for, as well as repairing your remote control to your receiver box. So this is a remote made by SkyTech. It's a universal remote that's used by a lot of manufacturers. As you can see, Hargrove uses SkyTech and they stamp their name on it. You may have another brand name here. It may not say SkyTech. But this remote's going to be very similar depending on what model of SkyTech remote you have. It may just say on off, or it may say on high, low off as well, or it may have a thermostat on it, but they all operate the same. As we look at the back side of the remote, you'll see that there's a smaller battery available here. You can buy these on Amazon or at Batteries Plus. I would recommend getting maybe a pack of them so you have it ready if your remote battery goes out. You also have a receiver box that's inside your fireplace. This is how it will look like. It will have an off, remote, and on situation, as well as a learn button. But the thing that most people don't know, you do have 4 AA batteries in here, so you do need to replace these every 6 months. If this corrodes, this box will no longer be operable. So the first thing you want to do if you have a remote that's not working is check the batteries, both in the remote and the receiver box. If that's not working, we're going to look at how we repair the two together. So as you can see, there's an off remote and on. You're going to want to make sure this toggle switch is centered on the remote. You'll feel it click in place. You also see a learn button here. So if they're not communicating, we now have to repair them. So I'm going to take a pin and stick it in here. At the same time, I'm going to press on, and you should hear a double beep like that. That lets you know that they are now paired. We should be able to easily point it towards our receiver box, and our lock set will ignite.